Okay, so now we need to save the session ID and username to session variables and go to Cookie Clicker. And so I kind of jumped the gun the last video where I did that already. What did we do is we went ahead and fetched the row from the result and saved it in the array variable, and then we set the session ID variable equal to the ID that was in the array, right? So then, now the last thing that we need to do is just go ahead and head on off to Cookie Clicker. So we're going to use the header function to do that, and we'll go to header, and where is Cookie Clicker? Let's see. So what you should have right now is Cookie Clicker .html, right? But like I said earlier, when we get to cookieclicker.html, we want to print out the client's username, right? We want to say, hello Daniel, welcome, right? When you're playing Cookie Clicker. So there's going to be PHP code involved on Cookie Clicker. Okay, and we're also going to have a save and a reset functionality, which also requires PHP code to be run. So so I guess you should go ahead and go back and rename it .php. And I think that's about it. Yeah, and I already went ahead and made mine .php on my Cookie Clicker. So I'll go ahead and save that, and let's go ahead and test it, right? So coming back over here, I'm going to type in ASDF. I believe that's the right, nope. What am I doing? Okay, hold on one second. Localhost. Okay. Create an account. Okay, so I'm going to say like another, and I'll say A, submit. It did not let me create that account. Another A. That username already exists. Ooh. So another A. Yeah, why didn't it let me in though? Let's see. We have cookie create start.php. Cookie create start.php. The action file is cookie create account.php. And then when I'm here, it inserts into the database fine. Selects the ID, and it should send me to not to the same web page that I was at, but it should send me to cookieclicker.php, right? Okay, so let's try that again. But you know what's something weird is also that whenever I insert, it inserts a blank entry into the database, which is strange to me. I'm not sure why that is happening. Yeah, I'm not sure why that's happening because we only have one insert here. Let's try to make another one. Let's try to make a dlee. I already have a dlee actually. D1, ASDF, say submit. Okay. Now let's check the database. Refresh. Okay, so we don't have that extra blank entry in the database. And you can see here, this is mine. This is kind of already finished. And you can notice here that I print out the username. We'll talk about how we do that later. You can see there's a save and a reset functionality, and yeah, that's Cookie Clicker, right? We're getting there.